Arigato. But don't worry, you haven't tuned into a Japanese channel. It means hello in Japanese. Hello and a very warm welcome. I'm your host, Samar Aslam. Well, Karachi is a multicultural city and it gives us an advantage of having a huge variety of different cuisines. Today we've thought of heading towards a completely different dimension. We've chosen a Japanese restaurant today. I'm here at Kamamishi. I'm gonna go inside and see what the chef has to offer us. By the way, they're really good with this sushi. So, let's go. Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
And what's your name?
I'm Rodolfo Shelo from the Philippines.
Okay, so Mr. Jun Shelo is an executive chef in here and he's an expert in sushi. And what are we cooking today?
Now I make 7 pieces of sushi.
Wow, so would you be teaching me as well?
No problem, ma'am.
So should I join you in?
No problem.
Okay. I've never really made sushi before. It's gonna be a good experience.
First, I use the soap and
Okay.
wash your hands. That's it. Wash your hands.
Well, now that I'm done cleaning, we'll be starting off with the sushi.
Now I start for the making of sushi. This is a prawn,
Okay,
red snapper,
right.
Norwegian salmon, eel, octopus,
Okay,
and tuna.
wow. And
So now I start for
we start
the
the
rice.
fillings, right?
Yeah.
so what kind of rice do we use?
So I use the short grain rice. This is imported rice from Japan.
So let's start with the filling now.
Take two fingers,
This was easy.
2 and 3, and take one
So the
piece of.
fingers basically
yeah.
need to be wet, right? Before we actually take the rice in. Okay, perfect. So we
Okay.
made a bowl.
Then in the left side,
Okay.
take the room.
Here we are putting the rice inside the fish, pasted with the horseradish, right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Hand your hands.
The same hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take mold. Put on the under. Press again
Press it again.
and mold. Turn.
Turn once again. Oh, okay.
Okay. Press. Okay. Press again. Done.
That's it.
Yeah.
Done.
That's it.
So finally, I'm here. Done with my sushi. We place it like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. So I can make sushi now.
No, it's easy. Can you make also in your home?
Okay. So here I am taking one more.
Okay.
One more turn. Yeah. So we'll do the same with each of the fillings,
Yeah,
right?
same. All
Okay.
same.
So just a pinch of horseradish
Yes.
and I hope this tastes nice.
Press, mold. Press, mold. Press, mold.
It's a lot of pressing.
Yeah, that.
Done with the prawn now.
Good.
It's the horseradish that I'm putting on the octopus,
Yeah.
called wasabi.
Then rice.
And
Then put on the top. Okay.
okay, and this is it?
Done.
Okay, done with the sushi.
Now sushi is ready. Now start for making a California maki.
Okay, so we're making California maki sushi, which is actually very popular in America. So we place the mat. So we'll be actually wrapping the sushi in nori. That's what it's called. The roasted seaweed paper that we're going to be wrapping the sushi in. So, should we start?
Now rice again.
Okay, so
For the California
170 grams of rice inside this seaweed paper. So we'll be pressing the rice inside the seaweed paper.
Cover all nori sheet. And then 30 grams of tubiko. This is a flying fish egg. 30 grams.
30 grams.
Then
So we're going to be turning
Turn.
this around actually. And I'm going good actually till now.
Good mayonnaise. This is a Kewpie mayonnaise. This is imported also from the farm. Then one crab stick, you divide, cut in the center.
So we divide the crab stick into two, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then cucumber.
Thinly sliced cucumbers, thinly sliced crab sticks, and one slice of avocado in each of the filling. So we start rolling in.
Yeah.
Starting to fold in. Yeah, is it good?
Yeah. Cover all the stuff inside.
Okay.
Then one more.
And one more turn.
Yeah.
And
Now
press
remove.
it.
Yeah. Now it's
And we're
done.
done?
It's done.
Okay. So I'm cutting the maki sushi into half first. Okay.
Then center.
And two more pieces,
One
right?
more.
So finally, the sushi has been cut into 8 pieces and almost done.
This is for decoration.
Okay, so it's just for the decoration. This is an artificial grass just for the decoration bit, Chip.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope I don't drop any of it. Alrighty.
Okay. Now this is a California maki.
I'm sure this one looks a lot better than this one. But it's gonna taste the same, right?
Yeah. Now it's the sushi now is for the main course apply at the kitchen.
So we'll have to go to the kitchen.
Yeah, okay.
So done with the sushi now, and with the hands washing bit too. So you guys go take a break, and when you come back, I'll be actually seeing you in the hot kitchen where Shaila's taking me to prepare our next main course. So should we go,
Okay.
Shaila? Okay.